Excel Chapter 3, pages 157 through 161. You actually need to start right at the bottom of page 156. So there's about 3 sentences you need to read there. And then you need to read 157, 58, and 59 so that you'll have a grasp of how these financial functions work as we start calculating loans and repayments and monthly payments and all this good stuff. So, super important to anyone who ever intends to own a house or anyone who ever intends to have a job. So I think that covers us all, doesn't it? So take a few minutes. It's pretty in-depth and you need to read all that before we actually get going. All right, at the bottom of page 159, step number 1, go to the loan analysis worksheet. In cell B3, enter 6.00 and press your enter key. In cell B4, enter 12 and press your enter key. So we have an annual interest rate of 6%. Payments per year is 12 months in a year. And now in cell B5, enter the formula equals B3 divided by B4 to calculate the interest per period. Press your enter key, which is 0.5% per month. In cell B6, enter 20 for the length of the mortgage in years, and then press your enter key. In cell B7, enter the formula equals B4 times B6 to calculate the total number of monthly payments. Press your enter key, which is 240. In cell B8, enter 200,000 for the amount of the loan. Now, all the values for the loan are entered. Check this and make sure you entered 200,000 and not 2 million. All right, flip the page. To use the payment function to calculate the monthly payment, click cell B10 to select it. In the function library group on the Formulas tab, Function Library Group, click the Financial button. Scroll down there in alphabetical order until you find PMT right there and click it. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. In the rate box, which is currently where your insertion point is located, enter the cell reference B5. In the next box, which is the total number of payments for the loan, MPER, enter the cell reference B7. In the present value box, PV, enter the cell reference B8. Take a look at your textbook on figure 3-37 and check it. B5, B7, B8. It returns a value right here. This is correct. I'm comparing this against figure 3-37. When you have this all correct, click OK. The value $1,432.86 is displayed in parentheses in cell B10 to indicate a negative currency value. In other words, this is money we're putting out, so it shows up in red. All right, on page 161, to analyze other loan options, change the value in B6 to 30. So what if instead of paying the house off in 20 years, we did it in 30, and press your enter key and see how much it drops the payment. Change the value of cell B8 to $175,000. So maybe we can't afford that $200,000 house. Press your enter key and you'll see that that drops a payment even farther. So if we buy a cheaper house and we pay for it for a longer period of time, our monthly payments will be $1,049.21 per month. This is almost exactly equal to what the couple is currently paying in rent. All right, press your save icon because you are finished.